Does your mind feel like a crumbling fortress? Its walls battered by rejection that stings like betrayal, failure that cracks your courage, heartbreak that shatters your hope, and chaos that breaches your calm. Each obstacle threatens to topple your spirit, leaving only ruins. But what if, in just 14 days, you could harness the Stoicism mindset to rebuild that fortress into an unbreakable bastion of strength? With Stoic Reign's wisdom, this is your vow to defeat every obstacle and forge a life of relentless purpose. Pause now. What breach weakens your walls? Rejection, failure, heartbreak, and chaos erode mental health, fracture focus, and shatter resolve. The Stoicism mindset, forged in the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, offers a foundation to transform obstacles into allies. Stoic Reign lights the path, fueling self-improvement and mindfulness through Stoicism daily practice. Meet Lysara, a 32-year-old weaver from Marrakech. Lysara's rejection by buyers tore her looms, her craft in ruins. "I was nothing to them," she says. Threads snapped. The Stoicism mindset rebuilt her strength, proving transformation for all. Let us forge your Stoicism mindset. The Stoicism mindset begins with Epictetus' truth. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Each obstacle is a chance to fortify your core. Samurai wisdom echoes. Rebuild your soul before the world breaks it. Take Varon, a 29-year-old scribe from Cairo. Varon's failures dimmed his quill, his words lost. "I failed again," he says, ink dry. The Stoicism mindset steadied his hand, enhancing Stoicism lessons. "I write my truth now," he says. His story shows Stoicism for men builds resilience, easing anxiety. How does the Stoicism mindset defeat every obstacle? 8 Stoic strategies paired with Stoicism exercises forge an unshakable mind. First, rebuild the fortress with resolve. Marcus Aurelius taught, "The impediment to action advances action." Morning, sit 3 minutes, repeat. "I command my strength." Write one obstacle like failed project and a response like learn and retry. Try the fortress rebuild. Journal daily, noting. Obstacle, missed deadline. Response, planned better. Result, steady. Lysara's rejection became a stone she reset, she wove. "I am not my losses," she says, boosting Stoicism motivation. Breathe deeply, shatter the breach. The second strategy reframes setbacks. Seneca taught, a setback clears the way. Evening, list one challenge, like lost client, and reframe. This taught, adaptability. Act, adjust your approach. Use the breach shatter, log nightly, noting. Challenge, rejection. Lesson, refine my pitch. Action, practiced. Result, progress. Silith, a 27-year-old potter from Kyoto, faced broken wares. "My work was worthless," she says, kiln cold. The Stoicism mindset turned flaws into fuel, boosting productivity. "I shape my path," she says. Third, guard your domain. Epictetus taught, "Some things are up to us, others are not." Morning, list 1. Worry, like will my work be valued? Split, mine. Do my best, not mine. Their judgment, act on yours. Try the domain guard. Log daily, noting. Worry, boss's critique. Mine, prepare well. Not mine, their mood. Result, peace. Torvin, a 40-year-old horologist from Bern, stressed over flawed gears. "My errors defined me," he says, gears still. The Stoicism mindset freedom to tick, reducing anxiety. "I own my craft," he says. What failure cracks your walls? Embrace your fate. The fourth strategy, Amor Fati. Marcus Aurelius taught, "What stands in the way becomes the way." When setbacks hit, pause, say, "This is mine to grow." Act without complaint. Use the fate forge. Journal daily, noting, setback, lost deal. Acceptance, it's mine. Action, sought new leads. Result, calm. Runeth, a 31-year-old baker from Lisbon, faced spoiled dough. I failed again, she whispered. Ovens dark. The Stoicism mindset turned loss into purpose, fueling Stoicism practice. I embrace my path, she says. Fifth, temper through hardship. Seneca taught, to bear trials with a calm mind robs misfortune of its strength. Daily, choose one discomfort. Skip coffee, walk in rain, face a fear. Try the hardship temper. Log daily, noting. Discomfort, cold shower. Response, endured. Result, stronger. Lysara, a 36-year-old herbalist from Grasse, faced grueling harvests. My heart broke under strain, she says. Herbs wilted. The Stoicism mindset honed her, deepening mindfulness. Hardship forges me, she says. Sixth, anchor in virtue. Epictetus taught, first say what you would be. Morning, list 3 virtues like courage, kindness, and 1 action, like speak truth. Try the virtue anchor. Journal nightly, noting, virtue, honesty. Action, owned my error. Result, trust. Joris, a 28-year-old tanner from Fez, lost trust through haste. I betrayed my own values, he says. Hides ruined. The Stoicism mindset rebuilt his bonds, strengthening Stoicism relationships. I live my truth, he says. Seventh, rise above chaos. Marcus Aurelius taught, your actions are your voice. Morning, pick a principle like patience and an act like listen fully. Try the chaos rise. Track daily, noting. Principle, justice. Act, mediated fairly. Result, respect. Zarin, a 45-year-old. Vintner from Bordeaux, faced team conflicts. Chaos swallowed me whole, she says, vines neglected. The Stoicism mindset lifted her, proving Stoicism productivity. My actions lead, she says. Eighth, inspire through triumph. Seneca taught, contentment is wealth. Morning, write an intention, like inspire with calm. Act under pressure, like staying kind in conflict. Try the triumph. Inspire. Reflect nightly, noting, inspired by aiding a friend. Result, connection. Varen's failures faded through resolve. I was nothing, he says, pages. Blank. The Stoicism mindset sparked his team, boosting Stoicism lessons. I ignite strength, he says. The Stoicism mindset defeats every obstacle. Physically, hardship energizes. Mentally, reframing drives motivation. Emotionally, control lifts mental. Health. Spiritually, virtues fuel purpose. Lysara weaves Varen's words, Silith's pots, Torvin's gears, Runeth's bread, Nivaris herbs, Joris hides, Zaren's wine show. The Stoicism mindset triumphs. Meet Drace, a 33-year-old scribe from Alexandria. Drace's heartbreak dimmed his quill. My heart shattered, he says, pages blank. Stoicism daily practice wrote his path, he penned. I am enough, he says. Take Saren, a 26-year-old fisherman from Galway. Saren's chaos lost his nets. My life broke apart, he says, boat still. The Stoicism mindset steadied him, he cast. I am steady, he says. Then Myris, a 50-year-old poet from Tbilisi. Myris' rejection silenced her verse. I was nothing, she says, words gone. The Stoicism mindset kindled her. She sang. I am whole, she says. Meet Calith, a 30-year-old glassblower from Murano. Calith's failure darkened her furnace. My mind said I was nothing, she says, glass cracked. The Stoicism mindset ignited her, she shaped. I am true, she says. With Lysara back, her rejection vanished. My mind no longer breaks my looms, she says, thread strong. The Stoicism mindset prospered, she wove. I am bold, she says. Finally, Lysara, a 55-year-old astronomer from Atacama. Lysara's chaos dimmed her stars. I lost my light, she says, telescope dark. The Stoicism mindset clarified her, she charted. I am light, she says. Ready to forge your Stoicism mindset? 8. Stoicism exercises defeat every obstacle. Fortress rebuild, log obstacles and responses daily, track steadiness. Breach shatter. Log challenges and lessons nightly, track progress. Domain guard. Log worries and actions daily, track peace. Fate. Forge. Log setbacks and acceptance daily, track calm. Hardship. Temper. Log discomforts daily, track strength. Virtue anchor. Log virtues and actions nightly, track trust. Chaos rise. Track principled acts daily, track respect. Triumph. Inspire. Reflect on inspiring acts nightly, track connection. These Stoicism exercises ease anxiety, fuel self-improvement. Your obstacles are not your foe, they are your forge. The Stoicism mindset is your hammer to shape clarity, purpose, power. Picture a life where rejection, failure, heartbreak, and chaos no longer break you but build you. Marcus Aurelius said, "Your mind is your power. Wield it." The Stoicism mindset builds Stoicism relationships, Stoicism daily practice, mental health, for all. The Stoicism mindset is your rebellion against ruin. Lysara wove, Varon wrote, Silith shaped, Torvin ticked, Runeth baked, Nivera healed, Joris tanned, Zarin bottled, Drace penned, Saren cast, Myris sang, Calith glowed, Lysara crafted, Elira charted. Now you. Start small. Practice Stoicism daily. Let Stoic Reign guide you. Epictetus said, "You have power over your mind, master it." Your triumph begins now. Start today with the Stoicism mindset. Pick one exercise, name one obstacle you will conquer, and fortify your inner bastion by choosing to face each setback with unwavering resolve. Reflect alone or with a mentor to deepen your purpose, forging a life that no obstacle can break.